In this video, I'll break down my top 5 teeth whitening kits, my experiences, and which teeth whitening kit I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked teeth whitening kit. And at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best teeth whitening kit and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Crest 3D Whitestrips with a light kit. The Crest 3D Whitestrips effectively whiten teeth using hydrogen peroxide as its primary active ingredient. This ingredient penetrates the enamel to break down stains, offering professional level whitening results at home. The kit includes 38 strips for 19 treatments and a blue LED light that enhances the whitening process by weakening stains, making the peroxide more effective. The strips feature advanced seal technology, ensuring they stay in place, allowing you to talk and drink water during use. The combination of hydrogen peroxide and the LED light results in visibly whiter teeth in just a few days, with full results achieved in 19 days. The main downside is you are likely to experience lots of sensitivity using these strips, which can be too much for some people. At number 4, we have the Hismile Dental White Strips Kit. The Hismile kit is highly effective for whitening teeth without causing too much sensitivity. The key ingredient, methylamidoperoxycaproic acid, is a safe alternative to peroxide, which traditionally causes gum irritation and tooth sensitivity. PAP works by oxidizing tooth stains without releasing free radicals, thus avoiding the negative side effects associated with peroxide-based products. The strips also contain hydroxyapatite, which helps to remineralize and strengthen enamel, and potassium citrate, which reduces any potential sensitivity. The application is straightforward. Dry your teeth, apply the strips, and wait for 30 minutes. The strips adhere firmly to the teeth, ensuring the active ingredients penetrate effectively. With consistent use, noticeable whitening results can be achieved quickly, often after just one treatment. At number 3, we have the PurelyWHITE DELUXE Teeth Whitening Kit. This kit is highly effective due to its use of carbamide peroxide, a powerful whitening agent. This ingredient works by breaking down into hydrogen peroxide, which then penetrates the enamel to remove deep stains and discoloration. The kit includes an LED accelerator light, which enhances the whitening process by speeding up the chemical reaction of the whitening gel. The formula is designed to be gentle on enamel, minimizing sensitivity while delivering professional grade results. The kit also includes moldable mouth trays that ensure even application of the gel on all teeth. Additionally, the kit is free from common allergens and harmful chemicals, making it suitable for sensitive users. At number 2, we have the Auraglow Teeth Whitening Kit. The Auraglow kit stands out due to its effective and fast-acting whitening capabilities. The kit combines a powerful LED light with a dental-grade 35% carbamide peroxide gel to deliver professional-level whitening results at home. This combination is designed to remove stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, and smoking in just 30 minutes per day. The primary ingredient, 35% carbamide peroxide, is a well-known and clinically proven whitening agent. It works by breaking down into hydrogen peroxide, which then penetrates the tooth enamel to remove deep stains. The LED light in the kit accelerates this process by activating the whitening molecules, making the treatment more effective and faster compared to using the gel alone. The kit includes 2 syringes of the whitening gel, providing enough for 20 treatments. The gel is formulated with additional ingredients like glycerin, urea peroxide, propylene glycol, xylitol, and mentha piperita oil, all of which help to ensure the treatment is safe for enamel and does not cause sensitivity or irritation. This makes it suitable for use on natural teeth without harming caps, crowns, or veneers. Using the Auraglow kit is straightforward. After charging the LED light, you apply a thin line of the gel to the tray, place it in your mouth, and turn on the light. The device automatically turns off after 30 minutes, signaling the end of the session. For best results, it is recommended to repeat this process daily for at least 7 days. At number 1, we have the NuBeam Teeth Whitening Kit. The NuBeam kit is the fastest teeth whitener and gives you the least amount of tooth sensitivity thanks to its scientifically formulated ingredients and innovative technology. The kit includes 14 teeth whitening strips and the NuBeam light, which together provide a comprehensive whitening experience. The whitening strips contain hydrogen peroxide, a well-known bleaching agent that penetrates penetrates the enamel to break down stains and discoloration. This ingredient is crucial for achieving noticeable whitening results. The NuBeam light enhances the effectiveness of the hydrogen peroxide by accelerating the chemical reaction. This blue LED light technology activates the whitening agents in the strips, ensuring deeper penetration and faster results. The combination of the strips and the light means that users can expect professional level whitening in the comfort of their own home. Additionally, the NuBeam Teeth Whitening Kit is designed to be user-friendly. The strips are easy to apply and fit comfortably on the teeth, allowing users to go about their daily activities while whitening. The light device is lightweight and portable, making it convenient for use at home or on the go. The ingredients in the NuBeam Teeth Whitening Kit are carefully selected to minimize sensitivity and protect the enamel. Alongside hydrogen peroxide, the formula includes soothing agents like glycerin, which helps to keep the teeth hydrated and reduce potential irritation. This makes the kit suitable for individuals with sensitive teeth who may have experienced discomfort with other whitening products. So that sums up my top 5 teeth whitening kits. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.